So welcome once again here students, and today we are going to meet after a very long interval in the Google Classroom. So again I will remind your pre-midterm syllabus. Reason is that all of you got the notice from the school. Your pre-midterm exam is going to be started from 13th of this month. So here two chapters are there which I had already discussed in the Google classes, as well as I had given in one of the video also that what are the syllabus. So again I am going to remind that first chapter rational number and second linear equations in one variable. Only these two chapters are there. Students, I had explained, I had given the video up to the fourth chapter. I had completed the 4 chapters in the your Google Classroom, but you will get the question only from the first and second chapter. Rest of the chapters will be included in your mid-term. So only these two chapters are there, rational numbers and linear equations in one variable. So I had discussed each and every exercises in that these two chapters, which all the video you will get from the Google Classroom. Link is given for each and every exercises, each and every question which you can get from the Google Classroom. You can get it easily from there. Now total 30 questions will be there in your question paper. Overall 30 questions will be there, and each question having the 4 options. For each and every question you will get the 4 options. It means 30 question will be of objective type. From the 4 options you need to select the correct answer. Whatever the correct option is there, that you need to select from each and every question. So students, it is the math. So there somewhere you need to go for the calculation. In each and every question you need to go for the calculation. Reason is that it is the mathematics, and math that is totally based on the calculation. Some formula will be applied, somewhere you need to go for the calculation. So for that you need to keep the one rough copy, one pen, pencil, whatever these things are required, that you need to keep in front of you before going for the examination. After that you need to solve each and every question, and you need to get the correct answer. First you will find the correct answer by solving that question, and whatever the answer you are going to get, that you need to find from the 4 options, and which option is going to match with your answer, that will be correct, that you need to select it. So it is the way to solve the question. So there will you need to solve each and every question, and after that you need to select the correct answer. Next, whatever the 2 chapters I had completed, if you are going to get any kind of problem in any question, if you are going to get problem in any exercise, that you need to comment me in the comment section where you are going to get the problem. Again I will discuss on those portions where you are going to getting the problem. So kindly again revise these 2 chapters and write your problem in the comment section, in which question you are going to get the problem, that we will discuss. So that is the syllabus. So kindly go through this syllabus.